Hey friends, if Salesforce is not working on the Firefox browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before we proceed further, I want you to know something. If the issue is with Salesforce on a browser, then the problem is not with the app, it is with the browser or the server. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you check the Salesforce server status. Okay, because if the server is down, then there is no point of checking anything else. Go to the trust status website. It is status.salesforce.com. If you get a green tick, it means all is good, and mostly you'll get a green tick here. But after that, all troubleshooting will be related to the browser and not the application itself, because there's no point about troubleshooting the application. The application is picked up straight from the server. The issue can only be with the browser. So here's what we will do. First of all, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, and then click on manage history, and then click on this, click on history, and then click on clear recent history. Change it to everything, and then click on clear. It will start clearing all the cache and cookies. The next solution is to enable third-party cookies in Firefox. Click on these three dots, settings, cookies. Okay, search for cookies, and then go to this cookie site and data thing. Click on manage this one, and then make sure that it is enabled. Wait, I'll show you if we have an option here. uh, you can allow third party cookies in the sense that select it at standard, don't select it at strict. The next solution is to isolate the cause with add-ons, just in case third party extensions are interfering. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then select settings, and then you can search for you can click on extensions and themes. Go to extensions. If there's any problematic extension, disable it. If it helps in solving the problem, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select remove, and remove it totally. And after that, the last solution will be to update Firefox to the latest version. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help, and click on about Firefox. It will start checking for the latest updates and update it to the latest version if possible. Okay, and we will click on more troubleshooting information as well to check if it is already at the latest version. So yes, it is at the latest version 130. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.